Tiny Tidy Tuesday, organizing the craft room. Hope you enjoy. Hi, I'm Sharon, and my YouTube channel is Sharon Shornagel, and today is Tiny Tidy Tuesday. And on this day, we do tiny tidies all over the house. Well, today I am going to be in my craft room. And the lady who started this series is Sunday Dawn from the Helpful Home. And every second Tuesday of the month, we will have a list of other tiny tidiers doing their thing. So, today I'm in my craft room and I wanted to get a few things organized. I brought a bunch of stuff home from my daughters and I have shopped and thrifted and stuff, and so now I'm just trying to organize it. So I got this bin all cleared out. And now I'm going to put things back in this bin and back away where their home is going to be for a while. This bin is mainly going to be for home decor. I know I've got lots over there too, so I'm hoping we can get it in here. Not sure how I'm going to do this, but let's put the stuff in. Might have to take it out over and over again, but might not. Well, just like putting a puzzle together, gotta find the pieces that fit together and give you the most room. Anyhow, welcome again to my channel, and hello to everyone. If you're new here, I would love it if you subscribed and give me a thumbs up and said hello. Gonna set these in here just to get them off the floor. They're not gonna stay in there, of course. And I'm gonna put this piece of glass up here. Okay, this basket is home decor. It can go in here. Now, next, let's work on this stuff because I know where it's going to go. A lot of that stuff's going to go in my napkin bin, which is here. And it is getting pretty full. Don't want to bury those because I'm going to use these. I have a project coming up with all these blue and white napkins. And then this is the newest napkin with a little hedgehog on it and a mushroom. So that's some of my new decoupage or decoupaging. My daughter gave me this Santa for Christmas. He's pretty cute. I think we can clean some of this stuff out of here, because I have lots of stuff. Well, I just like to know how your day is going, and I hope your day is going fine. And I thought I might tell you a little bit about myself if you're new here. I'm a 72-year-old lady, and I love to do crafts and make fairy gardens. And on my channel, you will see me doing homemaking and home decorating and doing crafts and making fairy gardens and putting them into displays in my garden and at the Seniors Hall, Norbridge Seniors Hall in Lethbridge. So, I'm putting the napkins back in the basket now that I've cleaned it out, and it's going to fit very nicely. And it always feels good to get that kind of stuff done. Okay. Let's see what else I get into. Well, I guess I'll have to go in the closet. Okay, that's done. Okay. The other night I sat and I organized all the little flowers and stuff that I use. This is green, so lots going on. But these are all the little flowers and stuff that I use on my fairy gardens. And I have tons of them everywhere, every which way. Oh, there's moss. Oh, I guess I could still clean this out a bit. Ouch. Oh, something stuck me. Well, anyhow, these are flowers and stuff that I can use. That I use in my fairy gardens. Those are bigger flowers. Anyhow, these are paper flowers. So I've got these 3 sacks here of flowers. And these are paper flowers. And then I've got this. So I got this all nicely organized to do my fairy gardens with. So that makes me very happy. I'm getting my fairy garden stuff more and more organized every day. Not sure if I showed you. I'm going to. And I have a bunch of new fairies in there. And then I have a whole bunch of fairies in here. And then I have all these other little trays. And one has fences, and one has bits and bobs, and this one has chairs and stuff. So I have this more organized, which is great, because it's easy to find the fairies. And now I know how many fairies I have, which are a lot. But that's okay. And I'm just keeping this in here because I don't know what else to do with it. But you never know. Might come in handy for something. So that's another bin that I got really organized. So oh, get the bins put back where they belong. Okay. Now, I took some stuff out of there, and I'm going to put it where it belongs. This is more moss and stuff. It can go in the moss bag. And this can go in the greenery bag. I got to go through this bin. Got to go through my greenery bin. And I'm hoping to do this type of thing with it. Put up a lot of the greenery so I know what I've got. This is just stuff that I found in with my flower bin. That doesn't have a stem on it, so I'm going to leave it in there. This has a little bit of a stem on it, so I'm going to stick it in here. I had one more like this. There it is. And I'm just going to leave this in here and put it in the flower. In with the flowers. Let's put this stuff in the garbage. Stuff that needs to go in the garbage can go in the garbage. Okay, this stuff. Garbage. This is for a special project for Christmas. It's a whole bunch of Christmas cookie cutters. So that'll be fun. And I'm just putting all my small stuff in here. I think I have another bin with small stuff. Now my project stuff. I do need to find a home for it. So, that means we're going to have to get into the other side of the room. This stuff needs to be put away. I have stuff like this in that cupboard up there. Okay, let's just... I have bins full of project stuff. But anyhow. Well, we got quite a bit of stuff organized in my craft room, and now I'm just moving stuff to the other end of the craft room so that I can organize more stuff at that end of the craft room. But you'll have to wait till next Tuesday to see what else I organize and where I put stuff. Anyhow, I would like to thank everybody. If you've watched this video this long, thank you so much. Helps my watch hours a lot. And thank you, Sunday Dawn from the Helpful Home, for creating this collaboration. And I believe next Tuesday is the collaboration that will have a whole playlist of other ladies who are doing their tiny tidies around their homes, and they will share that inspiration and motivation with you. So I hope this gave you a few tips on how to organize stuff, little stuff, and I hope you all enjoyed this. So, as I said, this is my tiny tidy for this Tuesday, and thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in my next video, which is Fairy Garden Thursday. Lots of stuff happening on that series too. Okay, we'll see you in my next video, Fairy Garden Thursday. Bye.